Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to create upcycled puppets, or how to make a Santa Mickey puppet the hard way. Woohoo! I've been waiting to do Mickey for a while. I have a little history with the mouse, and I think we're going to have a little fun with this one. Now, let's figure out if Mickey works. So we're going to go ahead and check the battery compartment to see if it is working. Okay, so there we go. The batteries are on. Let's check for switches. There's this.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
He still works.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh,
I think the neck is broken.
to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Yay! Okay, hopefully that's it. Let's see. Same song.
Dashing through the snow.
Good. Okay. Well, we know it works, and it has the batteries it came with, and all that good stuff. And we are going to take him apart. First of all, let's take the batteries out of the battery compartment and move on from there. There we go. How many of you have been waiting to see this Mickey or a Mickey get turned into a puppet? I know I have. Ooh, I got some rechargeables, or a rechargeable. So we'll see. Let's save those for another time. Now it's got the traditional 4 screws there, and we're going to have to remove those. And sometimes they're a little more difficult. You know, I've set up my Harbor Freight, my Dollar Tree screwdriver with the smallest bit available for this particular screwdriver. They come with it, so I'm going to take that out using the Dollar Tree Special. I do have a video on this screwdriver, and as you can see, I am still using it. For $1, this is a sweet screwdriver set. It comes with a couple of different Phillips heads, a couple slotted, and a couple of the Allen socket type things. And it comes on this little sleeve right here that stays on. So I've been using it quite a bit, as you can see, and I think it's worth $1. So there we go. There you have it. There you have it. Okay. Now that comes off there. This slides over there. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. I think Mickey is a little larger down here than he should be, but we're going to give it a shot. Let's see if I can maybe try it this way. I might have to loosen him up a little bit. I don't want to, but I'll tell you what, it's not going to go over that any other way. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to make a cut here, not to go too far, and a cut here to even it out. And we're going to go ahead and give it a pull, and hopefully it'll be just enough give. Get this thing over the top. I think it worked. All right. Wasn't too much. It was just enough. Okay. Wow. Came right out. Now, as you can see, well, maybe not. It looked like there might have, well, maybe not. Maybe that was it. Maybe it just moved its head back and forth with the deal there. It has 2 buttons. I don't know what this other one was. Apparently there were 2 buttons. I missed one. Or maybe it lights up this thing. I don't know. I'm starting to wonder. Now I'm curious. There's something here. Like it's another switch or something. You know what we're going to do? We're going to check it out. Alright? Because that's what we're all about here. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see what this does. It feels like a button. Might be one of those junction things. Let's try. Oh yeah, you probably saw it before. The lights work. Right there. The head bobs around. Oh, this is going to be a good one. Could be like a flag. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Where's the button? There we go. Ha-ha! Okay, so now we've got a couple of things there. One is the light fixture, and one is the switch on the foot. Stop! Get these out of here. Now this particular Mickey does not have a mouth, and a lot of them don't. I haven't found one that had a mouth yet. However, I think it could be just as fun, just to forget that thing's there, to have the arms move and the head bob. Hello, I gotta get down lower. Hi, hello, this is Mickey. How are you today? That's about the best I can do. But I can make the hands move up and down like that. Hello, this is Mickey. I think we should stop while I'm behind. But there it is. Mickey Mouse puppet. The hard way. There it is. Thank you guys for coming along on this journey. For those of you who've been with us. For those of you who are new to this channel because you found Mickey, thank you for joining us. Please subscribe for updates. And again, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.